What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Bonk. It is up again. As you guys can see, it's been pumping like crazy over the last couple of weeks, and it is 13% up in the last 24 hours. It's still ongoing. Again, 13% may not seem like a lot, but when you zoom out to the 7 days chart, 200%, and over the month over 720%, and over the year over 13,000% increase, which is absolutely crazy. So what is it with Bonk? Why is it pumping so much? Is it a crypto worth investing into, especially that we're coming to an end of the year and going into 2024? Can this crypto potentially break out in 2024? Can it make millionaires? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at, is it still worth buying it, or is it way too late, or should you sell it before it crashes back down? So there's a lot of questions being asked around this crypto, which we're going to go through in today's video. But before we get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, and I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can see once again the average value is here in purple, and Bonk is literally trading way above that target here in red, meaning it's performing very well. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. But again, that's very likely to be over the next few hours. But overall, I am expecting it to keep pumping, to keep going up in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. So yeah, do expect an overall minimal increase in value. When I say it's going to go up in value, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major increase or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit more skeptical here. The blue line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning according to a graph, an overall fluctuation in value is expected. However, I'm expecting Bonk to keep going up in value, to be hovering around 0.00002 cents in target is where I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at by the end of next week. Don't get me wrong, it is likely to hit a few red days in between, but what matters is the overall outcome by the end of next week, and at the moment it seems to be more on the positive side. However, if you guys have been watching my videos of other crypto videos, I did mention there is a price correction that I'm expecting to be upcoming in the crypto market in the coming 2 to 3 weeks, guys, meaning the crypto market is likely to take a little bit of a dip over the coming 2 to 3 weeks before it pumps back up towards the end of the year and early next year as well. So yeah, do expect a price correction. There'll be more on that as soon, you know, as I get more analysis, more predictions. I'll make sure to keep you guys updated, but at the moment 2 to 3 weeks is what I can think of, or predict even, sorry. But at the moment, over the next week, do expect an overall increase in value. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction, looking quite steep, guys. So According to the graph, an overall increase in value is what is expected. However, this is not realistic because this is looking way too steep. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late January 2024, I am expecting Bonk to have dropped back down in value, down to around 0.000003 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Yes, it may seem like quite of a crash. Again, it is overvalued right now. It keeps pumping, but there is a potential crash coming mid to late December and early January as well, where it's likely to start to slowly drop back down in value, dropping into the red zone. So what I mean by red zone is here we go. So I'm expecting it to drop back down into this zone here, because the way it's been pumping, guys, is it's just crazy. And as you guys can see here, over the last year it's gone up 13,000%, and most of it coming from since about mid to late October. It has gained at least about 10 to 11,000%, which is absolutely crazy and is way overvalued. And yeah, what I'm expecting is for it to drop back down into the red zone in Q1 of 2024. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has slightly dropped in the last 24 hours to 32%, sorry, to $150 million. Reason is, it did take a little bit of a dip earlier yesterday and this morning, and right now it's pumping again. But again, dips are part of the process, as I keep mentioning, guys, and the trading volume is likely to pump up, like go into the green area and pump up even higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of hours, as more and more people start to trade the crypto, as it is starting to gain value. So yeah, this is my take on Bonk. I've seen a couple of comments under my Bonk video saying, do you think $1 is possible? Guys, for this crypto to go from here to even 1 cent is going to require a major increase in value. So let's forget about the dollar mark for now, guys. Just think about it. It needs to get rid of 4 zeros, guys, and for it to do that, it's going to have to go for a crazy amount of percentage increase, which I'm not expecting from Bonk, at least for the next 2 to 3 years. But again, the crypto is likely to crash, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. So yeah, I don't even think it's going to hit the dollar mark in the long run either. Even this 1 cent target is a big push. But yeah, comment down below what your takes and your predictions are on Bonk, guys. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot, and it means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.